Eyo, this is your music, your culture with Makeba PMP umfana wakhona le ePietermaritzburg. Kamgwagwa ngithi angithola bafethu. If you're an artist and you're willing to join the competition and stand a chance to win yourself 300 rands bafethu ngendlela grand your music, your culture with Makeba PMP ngendlela grand bafethu. Yes, simple terms bafethu kumele nifollowe. Just nje wena send us your 1 minute video singing or rapping bafethu. Asikhathaleli ukuthi ucula gospel maskandi ucula ini. Send us your 1 minute video singing or rapping to our WhatsApp number, which is 072-643-5067 bafethu angithola ngendlela grand. And don't forget your Facebook and your TikTok account will take you after uploading. You will then tell your friends to vote for your video. The competition ends 21st of August 2026 and we will announce the winner on the 24th of August. All the best bafethu. May the best candidate win. Angithola bafethu ngendlela grand. Uma ukuthi uyimisele ke bafethu and uyabona ukuthi le competition just ingakuvulela eminye iminyango ngendlela grand, don't hesitate. Just join the competition and you will get yourself 300 rands from this show ngendlela grand bafethu. And make sure ukuthi tell your friends and tell your fans and your family to vote for your video online. Make sure you don't forget, and please bafethu follow and subscribe for more videos. This is your music, your culture with Makeba PMP umfana wakhona le Kamgwagwa ePietermaritzburg. Angithola bafethu.